guys, what's up? So this week on the channel, what I did was my brother and I did this kind of competition thing. There was an actual competition kind of a thing, but what we did to start out is we had a Taurus G3 over here shoved in the seat so that we had the same all around, right? So we had that shoved in the seat right there, like that. Then we have my AR on the floor, and then my 7mm rifle in the back, so 7mm rifle. So what we did was, to start out, you started out sitting down in the truck, hands on the wheel like you were driving. Boom, you get shot at. So what you would do, pull this guy out, bring him in, bam, 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 shoot your target, bring it back in, put it away, bring out the AR, bam, 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 done. Set the AR down, and you would move to the back of the truck, grab the rifle, and shoot your final round. And as soon as that round goes off, that ends your time. He was in a hurry, so we got here, filmed it, and he left. Today's video is not going to be as long as the other ones, but I'm going to give you a real fast, me actually going through it and doing it in real time. I'm going to take you guys and just turn you a little bit so you can see the entire truck. Okay, so magazine in, close. Okay, so what we did is sit down. I'm driving along, get shot at. So boom, before I do that, let's make sure you got your protection on before you do anything. Okay, so driving along, get shot at, bam, pull the pistol out, bring it to your chest, safety off, drop in, bam, out, grab the AR, boom, done. Come back here, rifle, and that blast would end your time. So that was a quick little demonstration of what we were doing and how we were doing it. We'll get into it real quick, show the clips of us actually doing it, and then we'll move on to the close. It's not going to be a very long video today, but thank you for joining us.
Keep forgetting that. Safety.
Okay, so that was the entire video. I know it's really short, not the longest thing ever. I'm actually going to take you through a quick run through of what to actually do in this kind of scenario. Like, you're driving along and you start getting shot at. So if you have your weapon system on you, we'll point you back towards the truck again. So grab you out of here. There's not a high chance that you want to get your weapon set, your AR, whatever. So you're in your vehicle. You're in your vehicle, you start getting shot at, you know, bang, 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 bang. So, driving down the road, bang, 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 reach down, grab your gun, just blast. You might want a little off center, like lean over so that you aren't shooting where you're watching the road, but boom, 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 boom. Okay, you're out of ammunition. Throw your next round in, click, boom, 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 and then get out of there. So, the videos I've seen is, so, boom, 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 get out of your vehicle, get in your spot, boom, 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 then move around to more cover, because this door ain't gonna give you a lot of cover. So get around to behind your vehicle, to where you have windshield blocking you, you have your seats, you have the whole cab blocking you, and then the entirety of the bed. So you have all this stuff in here blocking you. Now, if you're in a smaller car, you still have the entirety of your car blocking you. So when you get out, move to the back where you have more cover, and then engage. That'll be your best option to stay alive and be okay. There's also a special technique that I was taught